You guys ready for movie night? Hi, I'm Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're in our Model I, here to show you our innovative entertainment experience that we got packed in this bad boy. So, here we have our Nebula Capsule 3 Smart Projector. It's super simple to use. It doubles as a portable speaker, and it's even integrated with Google Play, so you can access your Google Store to download all your favorite streaming apps. You can even stream your local channels. We've also added an additional HDMI connection for your convenience, so you can set up a gaming console or your computer. Now with an entertainment setup this cool, you're gonna need big audio to go with it. That's why we've paired with Rockford Fosgate, and if you want even more bass, we are subwoofer prepped in all Model Is. So if you're not watching TV, all you gotta do is roll up the Smart Projector screen here. You get a nice, beautiful view out of that 40 by 48 smart window.